Hi everyone, wanted to hop on here and show you how easy it is to do this chalk transfer, and I'm going to apply it right here on this cute 5x7 wood board with the white background. And all the instructions on how to do the chalk transfer is right on the back. We can customize these kits for you to do at home. They're really so easy, and they're reusable. I mean, it's fabulous. You can change the color if you want. You can wash them out and take care of it that way. Right now, see that? I'm gonna peel this right off. And you wanna, also start by defuzzing this just a tiny bit. You can use anything you have at home. Towel, your shirt, anything you want. Just press it on there, defuzz it a little bit just so that it's not super sticky. So here I go, I'm gonna transfer this here and get that right on there. All right, press it down just like this. And I mean, you can use any color paint that you like. I'm gonna go with black. I'm gonna use my small squeegee. I'm gonna press that right on there. And I'm gonna show you how super easy and fun this is. It's just, you can use any color. The paint also comes in individual packets, so you can, add on to your kit. And here we go. We'll see how this comes out here. I'll show you how easy it is. Just gonna, put that on there. And you can easily, play around with the colors. You can make it a ombre effect, which is also very nice. But I'm gonna stick with black. This goes with my decor in my house, the black and white with the wood. See that? Just gonna press that down. And it's just super easy. Just gonna get some more paint there. And just gonna squeegee this off. Make sure everything's covered. And done. And like I said, this is a size A transfer for 5x7 frames. You can customize anything you like. I will be having kits for sale and showing you that soon. All right, once that's all covered, I'm gonna peel this right off and you'll get to see what this looks like. All right, guys, here it is. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing a kit. We can customize anything you like. I have beautiful other size frames. Let me know. Thank you.